Good morning students. We'll continue next new chapter, simple equations. You have already come across simple equations like 2m is equal to 10 and their solutions in class 6. You have been how the equations helping solving puzzles and daily life problems. Let us review what we have already learned about simple equations and their solutions through the following exercise. Exercise 1. Write LHS and RHS of the simple equations. This is LHS, this is RHS. LHS, RHS, LHS, RHS, LHS, RHS, LHS, RHS, LHS, RHS, LHS, RHS, LHS, RHS. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. 2 plus y is equal to 7. Now, equation weighing balance. You have seen in class 7 that an equation is compared with a weighing balance with equal weights on both sides. What will happen if the left pan of a weighing balance holds 5 kgs and the right pan holds 2 kgs? What will happen if left pan of weighing balance holds 3 kgs and right pan holds 7 kgs? What will happen if the left pan of the weighing balance holds 3 kgs and right pan holds 3 kgs? Weighing balance need to have equal weights on both sides to be perfectly balanced. The same principle will hold in an equality. Consider the equality 12 minus 2 is equal to 6 plus 4. Here LHS is 12 minus 2 is 10. RHS 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Since both sides are equal, the equality holds. What will happen if we add 3 on both sides of an equation? Will the value of both sides remains equal? Will the values be equal if 10 is added? Try with some other number of your choice. What will happen if we subtract 5 from both sides of an equation? Will both sides remain equal? Will the values be equal if 7 is subtracted? Try with some other number of your choice. What will happen if we multiply both sides by 6? Will both sides remain equal? Will they be equal if 8 is multiplied by 8? Try with some other numbers of your choice. What will happen if you divide both sides of the equation by 5? Will both sides remain equal? They be equal if both sides are divided by 2. You will find the answer is as in all cases if the same number is added or subtracted on both sides, or if both sides of the equality are either multiplied or divided by same number. The equality remains unchanged. This principle of equality is going to help in solving equations ahead. How to solve the equations? You have already learned how to solve equations using trial and error method. Now I'll find the above principles of equality to solve equations in much lesser time. To solve equations, we first need to separate the numerical terms from the terms containing variables or unknowns by taking them on the two different sides of equality and then use the principle of equality. Let us study the following example. X plus 3 is equal to 7. Given equation is x plus 3 is equal to 7. LHS of the equation is x plus 3. Total value of LHS is 3 more than x. To find the x, we have to remove 3 from LHS. Thus, we need to subtract 3 from RHS. LHS is to be subtracted from RHS to balance the equation. We have x plus 3 is equal to 7. X plus 3 minus 3 is equal to, both sides you are subtracting minus 3. X is equal to 7 minus 3. X is equal to 4 is the answer. Okay students, thank you. In the next class we'll continue.